Hello! This afternoon we're going to be looking at greatest common factor. You should have received this worksheet from your teacher this afternoon, so I want you to go ahead and start by putting your name at the top. When we think about factors, we think about a number that is being multiplied to get a product. So for example, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 would be our product. 2 and 3 would be our factors. So when we're looking at greatest common factor, the first place we're going to start is we are going to list the factors of the numbers that we're looking at. So our first number is 18. The factors of 18 are 1 times 18, 2 and 9, and 3 times 6. Sometimes you might see a connector that forms a rainbow between the two numbers. And we want to make sure that we list them in numerical order. Let's look at 24. The factors of 24 would be 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 times 6. So I have my numbers listed in numerical order. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to compare the two, and I'm going to make a list of any of the common factors I see between the two numbers 18 and 24. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 6. So my common factors of 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to circle the greatest factor that both 18 and 24 have in common, and that number would be 6. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the line. Let's look at two others. Let's look at 12 and 20. The factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 times 4. The factors of 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 4 times 5. So I have my factors. They're written out in numerical order. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to compare looking for common factors. The common factors of 12 and 20 are 1, 2, and 4. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to circle my greatest common factor, which is 4. Let's try one more together. List the common factors of each number and ring or circle the greatest common factor. The factors of 8 are 1 times 8, 2 times 4. The factors of 28 are 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to compare looking for common factors, and I will circle the largest factor they both have in common. And in this case, I see my common factors are 1, 2, and 4, making 4 the greatest common factor of 8 and 28. So I'm going to go ahead and ring or circle 4. All right, boys and girls, I would like you to finish the rest of this page, just the front side. We'll worry about the back side tomorrow. I want you to find the greatest common factor by listing out all the factors of each of the numbers, and then putting a circle or a ring around the greatest common factor between each pair. But before you start, just to make sure you watch this whole video, I want you to write the secret word at the bottom of your page. The secret word for tonight's homework is going to be Mona Lisa. That's my dog. All right, boys and girls, good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.